लोकांक काबार करता, लोकांची घर काबार करता, लोकांचे एक्सेस बंद करतात, तांकां फुगार करून मारता आनी फकत ह्या दोन मनशांक सपोर्ट करपाक सरकार मुखार वता. सो हांव मागता सरकाराक आनी कलेक्टराक हेची दखल घेवचे आनी जाता तितले बेगीन एक काम पयलीं इलिगल बंद करचें आनी जे रायट ऑफ एक्सेस पळय ब्लॉक केलेले आहा ते ओपन करून गांवच्या लोकांक दिवचे म्हण सरकाराक.
The MLA, I have heard that we have been accused of saying that we have not given letters to the MLA. So I have given to the letter to the MLA on the 3rd of January 2024, saying that this is my right of way and all the documents pertaining to whatever is needed I have already put along with this letter. So you cannot say that we have not approached the MLA. But I want to ask the MLA, when he comes here, when he had come here for voting to ask for votes, that time he came to our doors. So are we to all the time go to his doors, or he should be coming to our doors over here? Are we not people to have a right of way? The double tracking is not for us, it is only for Adani. So I want my right of way and we do not want double tracking. And also I have given an application for the tar of road, that is on 30th of November 2022 to the Panchayat. So here also I have written what is the requirement for me, that is the right of way to, and this road to be tarred, the mud road to be tarred. And the pictures are all out here, why I need a tar road. That is, the vehicles are getting jammed over here, and our legs also, we cannot even walk through it during the rains. You can see the vehicles out here. These vehicles are not even from the village. I have the, if you I think so highlight, you will able to see the numbers also. I have the pictures on my mobile. You will get to know that the vehicles are not even from this village. So you can know that people outside the village also are coming and going through this road, passing through this road. And now if they are going to block this road, from where are we going to enter?
So many people from other villages, nearby villages also here in solidarity with the villages of Premier Ward of Welsam. So having said that, what we are fighting is for a just cause. We are not here to steal government land or to steal railway land. We have got documentation issued by the Director of Settlement and Land Records, which I'll share with you, wherein they have clearly stated that RVNL do not own any land here. This is state land, and state land belongs to the local panchayat. RVNL also has written that that they do not have access to this land. See, we have a letter from RVNL also. But having said that, there are some miscreants in the village, who are spreading a wrong that this land belongs to the railways. So it is not done. This land, let us put it on record that this land doesn't belong to the railways. We are very, very clear about that. This land belongs to the villagers and will rightly remain so, despite the fact that in the night, last night our Sarpanch, she has got photography evidence that until 2:30 a.m. this morning they're dumping mud in this area. Are we not humans and we do not have this? We are appealing to the government of Goa. Please stop. You assert a authority. Goa is not for sale. Let there be, as demanded by our local Sarpanch, let there be a survey done in this area. This was agreed when our South Goa MP had met the collector South, and this was demanded that the entire stretch from all the three villages, that is Welsam, Pali and Isorsi, will have a demarcation done. Why it was only done for 18/1? Why not here? Let us get a clear identity of who owns what. Otherwise there will be a sustained agitation.
साऊथ गोवाचे खासदार जे नवे निवडून आयल्या कॅप्टन विरियाटो फर्नांडीस आणि तिनूय पार्लमेंटान जे सेशन जाले हे तिनूय पार्लमेंटाच्या सेशनान मुद्दो उठयला. लास्ट टायम अलॉंग विथ द सरपंच आणि बाकीचे सगळे रेजिडेंट्स देर वॉज अ मिटींग विच वॉज कॉल्ड अलॉंग विथ द RVNL, वेर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान सांगिल्लें की वी वील सर्वे आमी करतले म्हणून. पूण आतां कळून येता की एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे सर्वे करून ते गेल्या, विच इज 18/1, आणि बाकीचे विलेजीन अजुनूय सर्वे जाल्ली ना. आतां बारीक जर आमी हांगा पळयत जाल्यार फाटल्यान रेल्वे ट्रॅक दिसता आणि वो सायडीन जे आमी आतां उबे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ विलेज रोड विच इज रायट ऑफ वे ह्या लोकांक आपल्या घरा वचपाक. आतां मजा अशी की 2022 जेन्ना ह्या लोकांनी कलेक्टराक बरयल्लें ते कलेक्टरान एक रिप्लाय ह्या लोकांक दिल्ली आसा की एज पर ओल्ड पोर्चुगीज डॉक्युमेंट फाटलो जागो जो आसा रेल्वेचो हो रेल्वेक दिल्लो ना एक्विशन. बट सबसिक्वेंटली इन द इयर म्हणल्यार जो LRC जो जालो अंडर सेक्शन 14(1) which says that जे टायटल ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट लँड्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल रोड्स किंवा रायट ऑफ वे जे आसतले हातून ताची लिगल एंटिटी पयल्या शिवाय तो जागो एक्वायर जावचो ना. दिस इज अ क्लियर कट गायडलायन्स ऑफ द LRC. आता इन LRC वॉट डज इट स्टेट? इट स्टेट्स दॅट की प्रॉपर्टी प्रोवायडेड सब्जेक्ट टू राईट ऑफ वे अँड ऑल अदर राईट्स पब्लिक इंडिव्हिज्युअल लिगली सबसायडींग. म्हणजे आता राईट ऑफ वे जी आम्ही आता उभे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ राईट ऑफ वे. जर तर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो जर तर ही प्रॉपर्टी जाल्यार राईट ऑफ वे इज फॉर द लोकल गोवन्स. आता फाटल्यान जो आम्ही कोळसो पळयता वो अडानीचो आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो. सो आता मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगचे की गोंयकारा पासत तो राईट ऑफ वे प्रोटेक्ट करतलो काय अडानी आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो व्हरपाक प्रोटेक्ट करतलो. म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ क्लियर कट अटेम्प्ट की हे जे क्रोनी मित्र ह्या सरकाराचे आसा जिंदाल अडानी हांचो कोळसो व्हरपाक हे सरकार गोंय काबार करपाक उठला. स्वर्गेस्त आदलो मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड सेईंग दॅट ताणें सांगिल्लें आपूण डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावपाक दिवचो ना. ताणें सांगिल्लें की स्टेटांतलो जागो आपल्या अंडर येता अँड आय विल नॉट गिव इट. सो वाय डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इज सो हेल्बेंट टू डू दीस डबल ट्रॅकिंग प्रोजेक्ट? कित्याक ही इज द पपेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. ताका वयल्यान ऑर्डर आयिल्ली आसा की तूं हें डबल ट्रॅकिंग कर आणि गोंयान कोळसो हाडून काबार कर. वी डिमांड दॅट द चीफ मिनिस्टर शूड कम क्लियर वेदर द राईट ऑफ वे विच इज फॉर द गोवन्स. अरे लोकांची हांगा वस्ती आसा, गांव आसा, फाल्यां लोकांक हांगा एम्ब्युलन्स येवची पडटली, फायर ब्रिगेड येवची पडटली, फाल्यां कितें मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी जाल्यार लोकांनी वचप खंयच्यान? रेल्वे दारां येतली लोकांच्या? ऑर रेल्वे इज मोर दॅन द पीपल ऑफ गोवा? म्हणल्यार आमी गोंयकाराचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो काय रेल्वेचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो? हें म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्र्यान क्लियर येवपाक जाय. हें येता ते फेब्रुवारी अधिवेशन आसा. आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बाकीचे आमदार वी वील रेज दीस इश्यू. We will talk to the member of parliament also and ask the authorities की बाबा सर्वे फूल हाजी कित्याक जावना? Why only one survey number has been एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे कित्याक सर्वे जाल्या? I think this is a road right of access, right of way which is being used for almost hundreds of years. And म्हाका दिसता स्थानिक जे authorities like collector who is there, who takes care of the right of way, तांणी इंटरव्यून जावपाची गरज आहा. दे आर ऑल आउट टू सेल गोवा, टू डिस्ट्रॉय गोवा, टू डिस्ट्रॉय द आयडेंटिटी ऑफ गोवा, गोवाज रिच कल्चर, हेरिटेज. दे आर ऑल आउट टू सेल इट. दे आर ऑल आउट टू सेल दिस टू द crony friends of this government and to Delhiites. If you see today the destruction which is happening all across Goa in terms of land conversion, in terms of hill cutting, in terms of filling the fields, agriculture fields. So I don't see any legacy of what Manohar Parrikar told these people are carrying forward. And Manohar Parrikar was on record, it is there everywhere, where he said that I will not allow double tracking. He clearly told that the land which is there in the state of Goa comes under state government's purview. So why this government of Pramod Sawant is hell-bent to complete this double tracking project? अरे सुप्रीम कोर्टान तांकां थंय रिस्ट्रिक्शन घातिल्लें आसा ऑन वेस्टर्न घाट्स नॉट टू इनक्रीज. सो वाय आर दे सो हेल्बेंट टू कंप्लीट दीस प्रोजेक्ट? कित्याक कमिशन खावपाक? जे हजारांनी करोड रुपया पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक जे सँक्शन जाल्या ताजें कमिशन खावपाक लागून तुमी हें करता? म्हणल्यार लोकांच्या जिवना कडेन हें सरकार खेळटा मरे.